Hello friends, you are watching GATE Helpline, and in this video we'll see question number 48 from GATE 2021 CSIT question paper. So friends, question number 48 is consider the following ANSI C function. So this is the function which is given, that is simple function where we are passing three variables. Okay, the first one is an array and next two are simple variables, and a simple for loop is given to us. That for loop is running from 1 to n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 is the length of the array. Next thing is it is returning value, that is total, and we need to tell the value of total. So let Z be an array of 10 elements with Z of I equals to 1. So this is an array which is having 10 elements for all I such that 0 less than equals to I less than equals to 9. So your I lies between 0 to 9. The value returned by simple function Z 10 2 is dash. So friends, what we are passing to this function is three things. That is Z, that is our array. Next thing is value of n, that is 10. Value of x, that is 2. So friends, now we had copied this question and we'll go to our dashboard section. So friends, here we had already copied this question and we will try to simplify this. So friends, here if you see, here the function declaration is there. That is fine. We have no issues with that. First thing is we are passing an array. Next thing is we are passing value of n. Next thing is we are passing value of x. In next thing, we are passing the y of 0, that is the index value 0 to total. Okay, and here next is loop index. Loop index is an local variable to this function. In the for loop, we are running this for loop from loop index equals to 1 to loop index less than equals to n minus 1. So value of n is 10, which we have seen in question. We are passing here 10. So it will be less than equals to 9. Okay, so your loop will be running from 1 to 9. And then loop index plus plus, and this is the only statement which we need to evaluate here. Okay, so the statement is total equals to x into total plus y of loop index. So friends, here loop index is the variable which is iterating in this for loop and it is starting from 1. So I will keep it 1 for the first iteration. Okay, and then as this iteration is going to run for 9 times, so I will write it 9 times. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and this value I need to change. Okay, so this will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So friends, this video is going to be a bit longer, because we are going to see how this program is actually going to execute. Second thing is, in exam, it won't take you this much of time if your basics are clear with the C programming. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this for loop is going to trigger for this many times. Okay, these are the number of iterations we have. Okay, so what value we have is, see, what value we are passing is Z of I equals to 1. Z of I means for the first iteration, Z of 0 will be there. That is also having value 1. For Z of 1, value will be 1. Z of 2, value will be 1. So for all the array elements, the value is 1. Okay. And what we are passing? We are passing this Z, 10 and 2. Okay. So just as a comment, we'll write it here. We are passing Z, then 10, and then 2. Right. So the value of x will become right? And see, the value of x here is constant, right? A value of x is not changing. The value of total will change. Okay, value of x will be same. So what we can write here is value of x will be 2. Then we will be multiplying with total. Okay, so what value total is having? That is y of 0. And as we know, all the elements in this array is having value as 1. So the value of total will be initially 1, and then we have plus, and then y of 1. So what is the value of y of 1? Again it will be 1, because all elements are having value 1. Okay, so what will the output to this? It will be, it's a very simple calculation. 2 into 1 is 2, and then plus 1 equals to 3. Okay, so the first iteration will be printing value as 3. Similarly friends, we need to evaluate the next condition, but here the value of total will be taken from the previous step. Okay, because the value of total is now updated. So the previous value of total was 3. So we need to update it with 3. Okay. So what it will become? 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. Then again, same thing will be there. Just the value of total I need to update. That is, it will be 7 from the previous stage. And then 2 into 7 is 14 plus 1, 15. Okay. Similarly, the next will be, it will come 15 here. So 15 into 2, 30 plus 1, 31. So now you can only say that how much time it is going to take in exam. It is going to take very less time. It will be 31. So 31 into 2 will be 62 plus 1, 63. Okay. Next is 63 will come here, the value of total. And then we have 63 into 2, that is 126 plus 1, 127. Okay. Next thing is we will be having 127 here. So 127 into 2 plus 1 will be 255. Next will be 255. And here next will be, first we'll evaluate this. So 255 into 2 plus 1 will be 511. Next we'll have 511 here. It will be 1022 plus 1, 1023. Okay. So friends, value of last iteration, that is the value of total, will be 1023. That is as per the iterations and this for loop which is given in the program. So now what we'll do, we'll take this program and we'll put it into a C compiler just to verify whatever we had calculated is correct as per the C program. Okay. So we had taken this and I had already copied this function, that is SimpleFunction for you. And what we need to write extra to compile this is this function, that is int main. I had declared this thing, that is z of 10, because this integer, this array is having 10 elements, and then these 10 elements I'm initializing with 1. Okay, as per the question. And then we are just trying to get the value of total here. So we are calling this function with the value z, 10 and 2. Okay. So one more modification I had done, that is I'm printing the value of total here. Okay. So the reason of printing the value of total here is because this function will be printing the last value of total. Okay. Whatever is the total sum, that is this one. It will just print this value. But I want all these iterations. I want to see whether my calculation is correct or not. So I had kept a printf statement here. So now if I just run this program, you will see what is the result. See, the values are 3, 7, 15, 31, 63, 127, 255, 511, 1023. And this again 1023 is from the main function. This is the printf from the main function. Okay. So this is the totals value which we have calculated in for loop. And then this is the 1024 which we have printed in the main program, that is this line. Okay. So friends, even from the C compiler, the answer to this question comes as 1023. And even with the simplest way of explaining this question, we reach to the value that is 1023. So friends, now we'll verify the answer in the official answer keys. Okay. So the answer to question number 48 is 1023, and this is the only range we have. So this question carries 2 marks, and this was the very simplest question which was asked in GATE 2021. Okay. So friends, answer to this is 1023. So friends, if you have any doubt or question, you can ask us in the comment section. So friends, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.